Omnia. Let's talk about your health. You might already have some smart rings or a flashy fitness watch, but nothing comes close to Omnia. This is the result of 15 years of relentless innovation. Omnia takes multiple real-life biometric scans and builds a comprehensive health profile for you. Using devices like blood pressure monitors, sleep analyzers, and smart scales, Omnia delivers a holistic picture of your well-being. But it doesn't stop there. You get access to medical professionals through cardio check-ins and can even share ECG results directly with certified cardiologists. With built-in AI-powered health insights, Omnia helps you not only understand your data, but act on it. This is not just health tech. This is your personal health revolution. Razer Project Aerial. Gamers, rejoice. If you're sweating bullets during your matches or freezing during a marathon session, Razer Project Aerial is the upgrade your battle station needs. Imagine this, a traditional mesh chair infused with futuristic climate control. That's exactly what Project Aerial is. A smart, bladeless fan system embedded in the Razer Fujin Pro chair that delivers 30 degrees of warm comfort or cools things down by 5 degrees when it gets too toasty. Whether you're mid-raid or streaming for hours, you're not just playing. You're playing in personalized comfort. It's a gaming throne that thinks about your body as much as your KD ratio. Kohler Anthem. Meet Kohler Anthem, the shower system that turns your bathroom into a tech-savvy wellness retreat. Say goodbye to your old shower knobs. This system features a sleek, minimalist control panel that lets you personalize every element of your shower. Temperature, water flow, and outlet selection are all under your command. You can configure up to 6 different water outlets and save 9 user presets, so every family member gets their perfect shower every time. Plus, integration with the Kohler app allows for even deeper control. This is more than a shower. It's an immersive, programmable water experience. Ultrasonic Kitchen Knife. Upgrade your kitchen game with the world's first ultrasonic kitchen knife by 369 Sonic. This is no ordinary blade. With ultrasonic frequency tech operating at 45 kHz, this knife glides through ingredients with minimal effort. The result? No crushed tomatoes, no crumbled cookies, just perfect slices every time. Chopping becomes cleaner, faster, and more precise. No squishing, no vitamin loss, and no sticky blades. It's powered by cutting-edge ultrasonic vibrations that oscillate at 50,000 times per second. This is professional-grade slicing at the touch of a button. Twilight Sleep and Wake Up Light. Waking up just got a lot better thanks to the Twilight Sleep and Wake Up Light. This isn't just a bedside lamp, it's a scientifically backed tool for mood regulation and better sleep. Using color-cast gradient projection technology, the lamp mimics natural sunlight to wake you gently. At night, the sleep mode fades the light gradually, simulating a sunset and helping you drift off naturally. With voice commands, automation, and room-wide smart lamp integration, this little lamp is the nucleus of your sleep wellness ecosystem. MagHub Go. Welcome to the age of ultra-portability. MagHub Go is a compact, powerful, and ultra-secure USB-C hub and SSD that simplifies your digital life. It's got a 4TB SSD, MagSafe compatibility, fingerprint encryption, and 100W charging capacity, all packed into a device small enough to slip into your pocket. This is the perfect solution for photographers, videographers, digital creators, or anyone living the USB-C lifestyle. Say goodbye to carrying extra adapters, hard drives, and dongles. One device. Total freedom. Siansky Vanguard. Looking for a flashlight that's actually fun to use? The Siansky Vanguard is more than just a light source, it's an experience. With a peak brightness of 1500 lumens and 7 different lighting modes, it's great for camping, stargazing, or self-defense. The body includes a tactile chambering mechanism, making it feel like you're loading a high-tech gadget every time you use it. It comes with a built-in 500 mAh battery and support for an external 800 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're pointing out constellations or entertaining a curious pet, this flashlight brings practicality and fun together in one sleek package. Platypod Delta. Professional-level photography doesn't have to be bulky. The Platypod Delta, Travel Tripod is the ultimate solution for photographers who need a stable yet portable platform. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium, this tripod can take a beating and still deliver rock-solid shots. It's compact, easy to carry, and designed with adjustable hinged spikes that dig into soft surfaces like grass or sand. Whether you're snapping sunrise shots on a beach or filming cityscapes, this tripod stays grounded, literally. Add a tripod head or a phone mount, and you're ready to shoot. Aper Scuba X1 Pro Max. Summer's coming, and so is pool party season. But what's the point if your pool looks like a swamp? Meet the Aper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This advanced robot cleaner uses FlexiPath 2.0 navigation to map your pool, clean every corner, and avoid obstacles. It vacuums both the top and bottom of the pool, runs for 5 hours on a 4-hour charge, and even sends you updates. The result? A sparkling clean pool without you lifting a finger. It's like having your own personal pool butler, Forgemaster Dice. TTRPG lovers, listen up. Your tabletop sessions are about to get an epic upgrade with Forgemaster Dice. These modular, solid metal dice bring precision, style, and randomness that would make a dragon envious. Inspired by a hammer's strength, every roll delivers weight and clarity. No more dice bouncing off the table or poor visibility in dim rooms. Designed to reflect your RPG intensity, these dice aren't just for play, they're for show. Each piece is engineered for balance and legibility, giving you fair rolls and serious flair. Plantiform Indoor Garden. You don't need a green thumb to grow your own food anymore. The Plantiform Indoor Garden makes growing nutrient-rich veggies and fruits at home effortless. With Fogponics technology, this CES 2025 award-winning system nourishes plant roots through a nutrient-rich fog. No pesticides, herbicides, or GMOs involved. It houses up to 15 plant pods, only needs refilling every 2 to 3 weeks, and is controlled via a dedicated app. It's sustainable, cost-saving, and absolutely gorgeous. Indoor gardening just leveled up. Motor 03. Say goodbye to scruffy cheeks and hello to the Motor 03, a next-gen grooming tool that fits right in your pocket. With a fast-charging lithium battery and high-speed purple copper ND-FEB motor, you get a smooth, close shave every time. The self-abrasive cutter heads last long, and the double-curved blade design hugs your face perfectly. Need to freshen up in the car, at the airport, or during a hike? No problem. The shaver is waterproof, magnetically assembled, and even has a built-in mirror. It's sleek, efficient, and ready whenever you are. If you loved exploring these future-forward gadgets, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. For more deep dives into revolutionary tech that's reshaping our lives. Got a favorite gadget from this list? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear what's on your wish list.